What's up mga kapadyak? So in today's video, we're going to do a tool review. We're going to review this particular tool that we need because it's a specialty type of tool. Hindi siya regularly na ginagamit, but we encountered a problem with this crank. Loose thread na siya dito sa loob, so hindi na siya mahila. This is your regular crank puller. Alright, so i-thread nyo dapat itong unang part here, and then as you thread the other piece, papasok siya, tutulakin niya yung bottom bracket to pull this out. So it's a crank puller. It'll pull the crank arm out of the bottom bracket. Pero ayaw nang kumapit to dahil loose thread na yung crank arm natin. So we had to buy something new. We had to buy this 3-jaw puller. Right? I don't know if it's gonna work, but basically the concept is yung jaws niya will go to the chain ring, and then as you push it in, it will pull it out. That's the concept behind it. I don't know if it's gonna work. This will be our first time, but I'll show you where the thread is loose and it just won't stick anymore. Yan, kung makita nyo, ayaw nang kumapit dyan yung ating regular crank puller. So I guess bubuuhin pa natin to. Okay, so ito na, nabuo na natin. It only took like an hour. Hindi naman. It's a very simple assembly. Hindi naman ganun complicated. Kayang-kaya natin buuhin to kahit walang instructions. So it has 3 jaws. Nakakapit siya dito sa ating chain ring. And then itong matulis na to, we're gonna screw this in. Pagpasok nito, hihilain niya yung crank arm palabas. So that's the concept. Alright, I don't know if it's gonna work. This is the first time. Kitang-kita naman, kakabukas lang natin ito. Tignan natin kung mag-work siya. Alright, coincidentally, you can also switch itong brackets lower para kung mas maliit yung item. So in this case, I should have switched this to the shorter one para mas madali siyang i-set up. But andito na tayo. Feel like tension is setting in. Okay, kumapit na. Okay, so tingnan natin kung mahihila natin to palabas. Set up natin na maayos ng camera. Yan. Okay. So it worked. Tanggal natin. Whew. Okay, success. Natanggal natin yung old crank na loose thread na yung crank arm niya using this 3-jaw puller. Alright. Amazing. I will put the link in the description of how to get this in Shopee or Lazada. It's not that expensive, pero napaka-useful, especially pag loose thread na yung crank. With older cranks, sometimes yeah, basag-basag na yung thread dito, hindi na siya kumakapit with the regular crank puller. And it did the work. Hinila niya, hindi naman na-damage yung ating bottom bracket. Okay pa naman siya. So we can still use this bottom bracket if we want to. But I'll probably upgrade to Holotech anyway. But yeah, success. So if you have problems and issues, try to remove an old bottom bracket or an old crank set using the regular crank puller. Try to get one of these. Very useful. I don't know kung mag-work siya sa kabila using the regular, wala siyang chain ring. But maybe we can test it out some other time and see if we can figure out a way na tulang ang maghihila. If you notice yung triangle niya or yung kabitan niya, pwede siya pang dalawa. So this can actually also be set up as a 2-jaw puller. I don't know how easy that will be in terms of setting it up. Baka mas mahirap. Pag tatlo kasi mas madali yung hatak niya, syempre. But one of these days we'll try that out and see kung if we come across another crank arm that's very difficult to pull out. But there you go, that's our review for the day. Success. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe.